Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to show you how I do my natural makeup look. I did a poll before I made this video and I made you guys choose which makeup look you want to see first in my next video, and you guys vote for natural look. So here it is. This is an e-girl natural makeup. You can do this if you're going to office. Obviously, if the quarantine is over, I don't know if some other countries is still undergoing quarantine, but ours is still ongoing, and sadly, that's what's happening in our country. But um, if you guys just want to look natural and a little bit, you have makeup on but still want to look natural, this look is for you. By the way, I always forgot in my other videos that I already have a second channel. You can find it on the links down below. I will just put it there, and also follow me on my other socials. And yes, without further ado, let's get on to the video. First things first, before I start, I'm going to moisturize my face as my skincare routine, and I'm going to apply it in a upward motion like I'm massaging my face. And this is going to be act as my primer because I'm not going to use a primer today, since I find that the primer I have is too dry for my skin, and I have dry skin today for some unknown reason. So I'm just going to use a moisturizer and a facial mist. Now I'm going to use the Lux Organic Spray Mist in matte, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. And finally, some lip balm to moisturize my lips. Now this step is up to you, but if you don't want to do your brow first, that's okay. But since mine is a little bit dark and they tend to get oily if I put on foundation first then do my brows, so I'm going to do my brows first, and I'm using the Beauty Glaze brow product in number 4, and it matches the roots of my hair. And also, if you have natural brows, you can just set them in place with brow gel. You don't need to do anything with them. But since mine are invisible, I'm just going to use a little bit of brow product and an eyeshadow to define it. As you can see, I'm carefully sketching the little hairs on my brows because I want them to look natural rather than drawn hairs. So I'm going to try my best to make them realistic. Now I'm going to jump right into foundation, and I'm going to mix two shades together, but I'm going to make it 2 shades lighter than my natural skin tone. And first, I'm going to color correct the darkness on my face, like on the sides of my nose and under my eyes, before I apply my foundation. color correcting is completely unnecessary if you have a perfect skin. But since mine has a lot of darkness or dark spot, I need it to brighten those areas. You can skip this part if you don't like fake freckles, but I definitely want fake freckles on my face, especially because it's very e-girl thing, and also it made the look natural since my foundation has a little bit of coverage in it. So yeah. I definitely got overboard with the freckles, but I think some of them will disappear once I set them in place. But now I'm going to use my liquid lipstick as a blush. I definitely should have done this before I put freckles on, but I'm still going to do it anyway. So I'm just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks and my nose. I add a little bit of contour just to bring dimension to my face. I probably got overboard with my nose contour, but don't mind it. Time for the eyes, and the first shade I'm going to use is the brown taupe shade. I'm just going to apply it on my crease and blend it outward so it won't look harsh. You can definitely skip this step if you want to, but I do want a pink color on my lids, just like Lily Collins from the Lab Rosie movie. So yeah, that's my inspiration in this eye makeup look, and I definitely love pink on my eyes just because they look natural, shadow on there. Then to smoke the eyes out, I'm going to use the darkest shade in my Beauty Glaze mini palette in Saturn, and I'm just going to apply it on my top and lower lash line and smoke it out in a wing liner. To finish the shadow, I'm going to use the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to apply it on the outer part of my lower and top lash line, and I'm going back over with the darkest shade in my Beauty Glaze mini eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to smoke that black out and blend it seamlessly so it won't make any harsh shadow. I definitely needed some pop of shimmer eyeshadow in there. So I'm going to use this pinky shimmer shade and I'm going to apply it on the center of my lids as well as the inner corner of my eyes. Don't forget to curl your lashes and apply some mascara. The mascara I'm currently using is the Sassy Lady one because I ran out of my favorite one, which is the Maybelline Hyper Curl. The Sassy Lady one lengthened my lashes, but it doesn't curl it upwards just like the Maybelline one. So I'm definitely going to buy a Maybelline mascara once the quarantine is over. And you can just finish the look with the lip gloss on top of your tinted lip balm. I definitely need some eyelashes, so I popped on some natural falsies on my eyes. Then I'm going to overline my lips because I want them to look like an Ariana Grande. So I'm going to overline my Cupid's bow with a darker shade, then add a lighter shade on the center of my lips or the inner part, and also a liquid darker red lipstick on the inner part of my lips. This will create a natural ombre effect. To finish up the look, I added some golden highlight that matches my skin tone. And also a little bit of pink blush on top of the cheeks and nose.